Weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
Cloud cover has been rather widespread throughout the daytime today, but we do have some clearing anticipated in the days ahead. And with that, much warmer weather will come in. But before, we do have one more chance for redevelopment of showers and thunderstorms as this system exits out. On the backside of that, there's one more opportunity overnight, early morning for a few showers or thunderstorms. And then we clear out entirely of this system. And we're back into some warmer weather with a warming trend lasting all the way into the upcoming weekend as we get back to a bit of a taste of summer in the air with much warmer temperatures. Finally, after about 3 weeks of below average temperatures, we go slightly above the average once again. Let's look at the showers. Heaviest down just north of Wichita, but earlier in the Wichita area. Rain starting to let up around Emporia, still dry farther to the north. The amount of rain in our southwestern counties, Morris particularly getting about an inch, part of Gary County over into Dickinson County getting 1 to 2 inches of rain, but it's west of Salina where 6 to 9 inches of rain fell with that complex of showers and storms earlier. Cloud cover, rain winding down at Emporia. Clouds are still hanging on, but the rain has ended for quite some time now at Manhattan. Cloudy sky, never got a lot of rain, just trace amounts around Topeka. Didn't even reach a whole 1/100th of an inch at the airport. South wind at 10 miles per hour and a temperature, though, very pleasant at 71. That's been the high so far. Another day, 13 degrees below average. This morning it was below average as well. When we get back into these near and above average temperatures, it's going to seem abnormal, but it's actually closer to the average than what we've been. The rain heaviest, Salina, west of Salina, again 6 to 9 inches, close to 3 in town. Manhattan getting about 1/4 of an inch, same for Emporia. And so the western areas picked up all the rain, everybody underneath the clouds, but the rain cooled air to the west with low to mid 60s, to the east low to mid 70s. And all in all, a much cooler than average day across the region yet again. Southerly breezes at about 15 to 25 miles per hour for much of the area today, starting to settle back just a little bit. And the dew points, that measurement of how much water's in the air, 50s to lower 60s. It's a little bit more humid than what we've seen over the last couple of days, just a slight increase in that. We'll see more of that come in, though, through the course of the week. There's a look at the cluster of showers and thunderstorms in the system that it's created, moving off toward the south. As it exits out, there's a ridge building into the west. These blue lines kind of going up and over in that pattern. That is a warming pattern that will gradually shift our way and push the rain chances out. But we have one more chance for some redevelopment of showers and thunderstorms during the middle part of the night and on into the morning. Favors this time the eastern counties. That actually clears out pretty quickly in the day tomorrow. And we're back to sunny to partly cloudy weather by the end of the day on your Tuesday. So tonight, maybe a few hit or miss. It's not going to rain everywhere, but scattered showers and thunderstorms with a low of 60. Tomorrow, any morning rain gives way to a partly cloudy sky with a high around 80 degrees and a south wind up to 10 to 20. So another breezy day tomorrow. After that, we get into some warmer temperatures, 84 on Wednesday. By the end of the week, upper 80s to even 90 on Saturday with a southwest wind. Another front comes in. You see the shift in the wind from Sunday to Monday in the direction, and that could be a frontal boundary that could trigger a few showers and thunderstorms either Sunday or Monday. We'll kind of work out the timing as it gets a little bit closer, but ahead of it, certainly seeing a warming trend. It has been a while since, first of all, we've had any 90, but also just above even the average. It's been quite some time, since August 21st, since we've been above average. And so it's going to be a little shock to the system, probably.
Kind of a lousy day at the state fair today.
Yeah, not
goodness.
It was a little bit wet in that direction.
Let's say so.
Yeah, a lot of rain fell through central Kansas.
And drier weather ahead. That bodes well for fairgoers.
Yes.
Then. All right. Thank you, Matt. Well, coffee.